Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set up and customize a personal focus mode on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, tap on Settings. And in Settings, scroll down and then tap on Focus. Next, tap on the Add button. And in here, go down and tap on Personal. Next, tap on Customize Focus. Now in here you can choose to silence notifications or allow notifications from certain people or from certain apps. So tap on People. Now in here you can choose people to silence or allow notifications from. So choose people to allow or choose people to silence. So select one of the options here and then tap on Add People. And so from the contact list, select a contact and then tap on Done. So here I have chosen to allow people they will be able to call me during this personal focus mode. And then tap on Next. In here, choose calls to allow. In here you can select everybody. So allow everybody, allow people only, or allow from your favorites only, or contacts only. So select one of the options and then tap on Done. Okay, so we have set up the people filter. So now you can go into the apps, and in here you can choose apps to silence. So you can choose apps to silence or choose apps to allow sending you notifications. And here from the list, you can choose Add Apps, or you can select some of the apps already available in the list here. And then tap on Done. And that's it. So after that, you can go down, and here in the next section, you can customize screens. Choose a lock screen and home screen page to turn on to help limit distractions. So here, tap on Choose. If you choose the one on the left, that will be your lock screen, and the one on the right, that will be your home screen page. So tap on the Choose button. And from the list here, or from the list of choices, you can select one of the image. So select an image that you want to use, and then tap on Done. Next, tap on tap on the right image, and here you'll be able to choose a home screen page. Again, go down the list here and select one of the available page for you to use. And then in here you can also tap on Edit Apps, and then you can choose which apps to include or which apps to exclude during this particular personal mode. And then tap on Done, then tap on Add. And scrolling further down, you can have the smart activation turn on or turn off. So here have this focus turn on automatically at a set time, location, or while using a certain app. So you can turn this feature on, and this will allow your device to turn on based on time, location, or apps. So we're not going to go into too much details, because it's quite straightforward. You just add in the schedule, time, location, and app. Next is the focus filter. So customize how your apps and device behave when this focus is on. And say focus filters help you remove distractions from apps when the focus is on. So tap on Add Filter. In here, select what you want to filter out. So for example, messages, tap on that. And then you can filter by people list. And for example, another one is the music app. So use listening history. Choose if music play will influence recommendations and mix appear in recently play or be shown to others on Apple Music. And then tap on Add at the top to add it to your filters. Again, if you can add in as many filters as you like. Here we've got some Safari. So in Safari, you can choose a profile. If there isn't one, you might need to create a profile from the Safari app. And scrolling further down, you've got system filters, customize system settings when this focus turns on. So here, always on display, you can choose to enable or disable always on display, and then tap on add, and then tap on add filter again, and then in here, low power mode or silent mode. So let's add this low power mode. And okay, so we have added some filters for this mod, and now tap on the back key, and you can see we now have a personal focus, and it is on. So if I swipe up to go back to the home screen, and if I swipe down, you can see there is a personal focus mode on it. So at the moment it is on, and you can choose to turn it off within 1 hour or until this evening. So if I tap on that, that will switch off your personal focus, or you can tap on it to switch it on. When you turn on personal focus, you can see some of the filters are, my phone will go into a low battery mode. And if I swipe down and turn off the personal focus, you can see my phone battery status now go back to normal, which means the low data or low power mode has been switched off. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.